What benefits can you expect? Beyond the common relief from back or neck pain, our chiropractic adjustments aim to enhance your overall well-being. Patients often report improved sleep, increased energy, better posture, and even a brighter mental state. It's not just about addressing discomfort, it's about unlocking your body's full potential. Safety is a priority in our practice. Gentle adjustments are safe and non-invasive and suitable for people of all ages, from newborn to advanced seniors. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain, recovering from an injury, or just simply seeking to improve your general health, our adjustments are designed to provide maximum benefit with minimal discomfort.